Hey guys, my name's Christy and I am from Australia, or so everyone thought. So I thought that I would let the world in on a little secret. So Australia is actually a fictional place. I'm a paid actor. I've been paid by New Zealand, and basically we've been telling the whole world that we're real, but unfortunately we're not. This project started maybe a couple of 100 years ago. I think about 200, a little bit over 200 years ago, and it basically started as a running joke, okay, but people took it too far, and I don't know, like, I figured it's time to come clean because, like, I don't know, I feel a bit bad lying to the whole world. So what happens is, like, we send out paid actors to go talk to everyone and just go have a chat to people in the rest of the world to make it seem more real. Then we have this, like, sort of tourist event where we take people onto planes. And, like, there was a YouTuber who started talking about this, about how he went to Australia, but they actually landed in New Zealand and they didn't really get to leave the plane and stuff. So, he is sort of right, sort of wrong. So, yes, you do land in New Zealand, and they do take you to an area where it's like Australia, but it's not just New Zealand that they land in. Say if you're going to Perth, they'll actually take you to a different country as well. There's, like, places, there's locations in Papua New Guinea, in China, like, there's plenty of Australias all over the world. Because you've got to remember, we've got a bunch of cities, country towns and stuff like that. We've got a whole heap of airports. So we actually have locations all over the world where it's Australia, and we just, it's a bit weird because a lot of people don't realize that Australia is not a real place. I don't know, I just think it's like, I don't know how you can think, like, if you look at the platypus, tell me that's real. Come on. Like, you know how we made the platypus? We actually, it's a combination of, like, CGI, and now we have mechanical versions. But originally, like, in the old sort of movies and stuff, we used to use that, you know, the sort of stop motion and all that. And you guys might think that I actually have an Aussie accent, but the real thing is that I have, like, so I originally had a British accent, and if you watch some of my old videos, my accent's a lot stronger in the old videos, but because I've been putting this accent on for a very long time, you'll notice that my accent is now the Aussie accent, or it's getting closer to it. And that's because this is my full-time job. I'm a paid actor by the government of New Zealand, because basically the more people buy into this, the more money goes towards New Zealand for things like building up their city, building up, like, roads and all that kind of stuff, and people supporting the Australian amusement park scenario, whatever you want to call it, is really, really awesome. It helps with wildlife, it helps with setting up Lord of the Rings and stuff like that. I guess that's really all that I can really talk about, because, like, if I say too much more about, like, the plans for the future of the world and new world order and stuff like that, I feel like that's going to be a little bit too much information, and I feel like there's only so much that I can say without getting in trouble. Anyway, I guess that's really all I wanted to say about this situation. So yeah, feel free to come to Australia, help support New Zealand and their wildlife and movie sets and stuff like that. Okay, bye! I'm gonna try and prove how Australia isn't real. So I'm walking around my house right now just so I can prove that Australia is not real. Okay, so we've got this wolf picture. I don't know if that's proof at all. But, like, seriously. Okay, let's go outside. But like, okay, see this weed? This is taller than me. Oh my god, is that a spy? Shh. Okay, here's some proof. What the hell is that scientific experiment? Oh my god. They've been lying to us the whole time, okay? And I can hear something, this black shadow, like in there. There's something. I know there's something. And then like, they're trying to trick us by having all of these fairy lights. Like, look at that. Oh my god. Okay. So if you're not convinced yet, I've got something to just convince you. So like, you know how we do everything for show? Okay? So here's some proof that like we do everything for show. Nothing's real here, okay? Look at this. What is that? And then like, we've got some more dead plants. Obviously because nobody's been here for a while. So, yeah. I'm not supposed to be telling you guys this. But Australia is really not real. Okay. Now, bear with me. I've got a few more things to show you. Okay. Here's some proof. Here's some more proof that we're not real. Okay. Ready for this? What the hell is that? What's that? Like, seriously. Look at it. Hello. Hey Tara, you okay? Okay. It's puffing up. I'm so scared. It's not happy with me. Sorry. So like, that's one of our scientific experiments we've been working on for a while. We've got another one over here. That's like in this cage here, but yeah. So yeah, that's like a few of our little experiments. Okay. But yeah, I've got some more proof that we're not real. and like we try and make it look like we're real, like it's used, but really this is like a set. Like seriously, who even uses this stuff? It's like, so I hope you're convinced that Australia isn't real. I'm really sorry for anyone that this has hurt, and honestly I'd do it again because the money was just that good.